Number 7. If the equation is graphed and they give you an exponential function, remember, if your x is the exponent, that's called an exponential function. Which of the following values of x will produce a point furthest away from the x-axis? So in this case, first you need to decide, is this an exponential growth or decay? This is 1/2 to the power of x. So as you multiply 1/2 over and over again, is it going to get bigger or smaller? Correct. If the number is less than 1, then as you multiply over and over again, this is going to get smaller, so this is going to be a decay, exponential decay. If you make a little quick sketch of the x and the y, as you multiply a number over and over again, it's going to become smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. So which one will produce a point furthest away from the x-axis? Let's say, if you plug in a 0, it'll give you this point right here. If you plug in a 1, it should give you this point here. If you plug in a 2, it should give you 1/4. So if you plug in a 0, it should give you 1. Plug in a 1 gives you this point. Plug in a 2 gives you this point. Plug in a 3. If you plug in a -1, will give you this point here. If you plug in a -2, will give you this point. Which one produces a point furthest away from the x-axis? The biggest number or the smallest number? Correct. In this case, the smallest number will produce a point furthest away from the x-axis. Remember, this is your x-axis. So in this case, we're looking for the smallest number. And in this case, the smallest number will be 1/9.